creepy cave. And, oh my lord, if I die in this outfit, I swear it'll be the last thing I want to do. Like, seriously. This is the opposite shows of the assignment, and it's like, it's not like anyone's gonna be in there. She's so annoying these days. Oh. Hello? What? Why are you here? Wait, what is that? Is that a corpse? Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Oh my god. Who are you? You can walk? Oh gosh. Ow! What is?
You're coming with me.
What? Why am I? It's you again! Let go of me! I was just doing this for a research assignment! Why are you doing it? Please don't hurt me! Don't do this to me!
Now you'll never live a happy. Goodbye.